The cracked rock plane can be found under SASSE Library Assets Ground Planes. You can drag and drop it into your scene. The settings can be found under the modifiers tab in this panel. So we can make it wider, make it longer, or both at the same time. We can change the resolution of the mesh, which is how many points it has to work with along each axis. We can change the scale of the displacement. So again, this is how wide that displacement is going to be, and the strength will determine how tall it's going to be. Subdivision level here will determine how smooth this resulting mesh is. So you can see with none, we get a jagged peak. With 1, it smooths out, and with 2, it's quite smooth. We can change the base color and the scale of the cracks that are on the surface.